Yesterday I watched Adarsh Gaurav, Priyanka Chopra and Rajkumar Raw's starrer film The White Tiger on Netflix. When I first saw trailer for this movie, I was quite excited to watch this on Netflix. And there are many reasons to be excited for this movie. It's based on a critically acclaimed book, and then we have the actors like Priyanka Chopra and Rajkumar Rao playing secondary lead roles to the main character played by Adarsh Gaurav. And the last but not the least, that this movie is directed by critically acclaimed Iranian American director and screenwriter Ramin Behrani. And after watching this movie, my initial thoughts are that it's a story of rags to riches, but it's not that simple. This movie is based on a 2008 book of the same name, The White Tiger, written by Arvind Adika. This book also won Booker Prize in 2008. This film depicts the story of Balram Halwai, from being born in a poor family, who were always servants to the rich ones, to finally becoming an entrepreneur. The story of the film is mostly told in flashback, through the narration of Balram Halwai himself. So we have been told that Balram, who born in a very poor family in a village named Lakshmangarh near Dhanbad, he is a very bright student from his childhood in school, in studies. But he could not continue his studies due to his family financial problem. And after that, he lost his father to the tuberculosis, and after that, he has to work to feed his large family. And from his childhood, always has been told that he belongs to a family of servants. So his whole goal throughout is to be a perfect servant to his master. So all his life he tried to be a perfect servant to his master, to his owners. So what he wanted is to, after that, he wanted to secure a job at his village's landlord's house, and he secured the job as a driver, and he became a regular driver to his second son Ashok and his wife Pinky, played by Rajkumar Rao and Priyanka Chopra respectively. He is very devoted to his master. He tries very hard to be a perfect servant to their master. But one incident happened that changes his life completely. So what he does afterwards is form the story of the movie. The movie dealing with so many social issues such as caste discrimination, politics, corruption, globalization and entrepreneurship. This movie focuses on all that subjects brilliantly through dark humor and satirical tone. Now let's talk about the main cast and their performances. The role of Balram Halwai has been played by Adarsh Gaurav, and I think this is the career-defining performance from him. He is the real star of this movie. Majority of the film lies on his shoulder, and he carries their burden with utmost conviction throughout the film. This is the career-defining performance from him. The film completely belongs to him. And in other main roles, main actors, we have Priyanka Chopra, who put forth commendable performance as a Pinky, who is a wife to Ashok's character, who mostly grew up in America. In this movie, I think her accent is justified. I mean, majority of the movie, till this movie, we have criticized of being a fake accent. But I think in this movie, her accent has been justified. And now let's talk about the Rajkumar Rao performances. I mean, I never think that I'll have to say this about performances of Rajkumar Rao. I mean, the caliber as an actor of Rajkumar Rao, I never think he'll be uncomfortable in any role. But in the role of Ashok, I think he completely misses the mark. He looks completely uncomfortable. His accent, well, I think we should not go there. It's completely garbage. He tries too hard, but it becomes more jarring and uncomfortable to our ears. I mean, I never expected this from an actor like Rajkumar Rao. I'm really sorry. I mean, I feel sorry. And in supporting role we have Kamlesh Gill, who plays the role of Balram's granny. And I think in this movie she misses her charm. I mean, that she always bring with her character, with other roles. And then we have Mahesh Manjrekar, who plays the role of village's landlord. And he plays that role with its typical flair and his maniacal charisma to it. He's called a stork in this movie. And then we have Vijay Maurya, who plays the role of Ashok's elder brother. And he's called the mongoose in this movie. And he justifies character perfectly. I mean, we never throughout the film he never talks with love or with respect to the character of Balram. He always cussing his bad words to him. He always talk in a rude manner to him. So all in all the actors in the supporting cast have put a great performance. But I think the performance of Kamlesh Gill is a little off. I think she's in a two on three scenes, but in that scene I feel we misses a little charm. The title of the movie refers to an white tiger who came only once in a generation and with whom our hero has compared himself with, because he also thinks that he comes only once in a generation. And he's trying to break that rooster camp, which is mentioned throughout the film, and achieve his freedom. But in the journey of breaking from his rooster camp and finally achieving his freedom, what a dark, thrilling and satirical journey our hero has taken us into. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.